How to make money with the most overlooked way ever to make $100 per day. So let's just make one thing crystal clear. There is no such a thing as get rich quick. There is no such things as get rich easy. There is things as getting rich easier and quicker if you pick the right method. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the most overlooked ways, the laziest and the smartest way to make $100 a day in 2025 with essentially zero startup fee. Okay, so too many people shame you for looking for the lazy way out, the easy way out to make money. But guess what? Lazy often just means smart ROI, return on investment. It means find a method that would give you the most reward for the least amount of effort, the 80-20 principle, those type of things that you see online. And that is exactly what I'm going to tell you or I'm going to show you today. We're going to evaluate every popular online business model and I'll review you the one that gets you the most money with the least effort and yes, the least amount of risk. So, why should you listen to a nobody on the screen that you just click on today? Like I said, I'm not theorizing here. I basically built myself a dropshipping business, a recruiting agency, multiple service businesses, and I've traded hundreds of thousands of dollars in crypto. So today, my platform have generated me enough transaction for me to basically live my dream life, and yet I am still a student. So when I say I've tested everything, I meant it, okay? And what I'm going to show you today isn't based on trends, it's based on what works and what worked best now for you, for the beginner who are just taking this step and wanting to make it real, sustainable online income. So, to find the most overlooked and the most profitable model, we'll compare 5 business type using these criteria. Upfront capital, how much you need to start. Scalability, can you grow without burning out? Fulfillment, is it easy to deliver? Risk, what can go wrong? Difficult, how hard is it to learn? So, let's go through the popular one first, drop shipping. So, you need a small enough capital where it's basically kind of free. Just so you need capital about 2K to 5K to test. That's from one, getting the right, finding the right product, just buying the product, making ads on it, and running ads on it. Personally, I say 2 to 5K to test. And the risk is essentially high because you have a tariff, supplier difference, and essentially your supply could run out of stock. So the difficulty is steep. It's a steep learning curve. It might seem easy to start from the beginning, but it's very steep to master. Uh, because when I started my dropshipping journey, I essentially grasped the whole business model, how to run everything in the first day or so. But to essentially really master everything and making it work take a lot of time and money. Next one, SMMA. So this is what I'm doing. Well, this is what I've been doing for a couple of months, couple of years now as a social media marketing agency. And essentially the capital for you to start is almost zero. Or if you do want to invest in like a small tool or something, it would be $50 to $200 to really kick off and running. So the risk is fairly low, but the fulfillment is almost manual, and to scale it, it's quite tough to scale it. So that's SMMA. SaaS. To create a SaaS company, you need a massive capital to kind of have a coding team, and you need to have a lot of people on board to kind of manage everything, make sure it works and everything like that. So the capital is fairly high. I say 250K plus, unless you're basically a genius and you can code everything out yourself, manage everything else, then that will probably still cost you anywhere from 50 to 100 grand, just so that you could get all of the platform approved, everything like that. So the risk is very high, and essentially it is brutal for beginner. But if you do get to a point when you have gotten the software to work and you have people to want it and buy it, it's probably the easiest sell ever because people see the value in the software. Next one, affiliate marketing. So this one, the capital is quite low. You essentially don't need to have much of everything. To have this, you just need a link, put in some sort of post, hope you click on it, and that pay for you. Difficulty is essentially medium, but take month and month to build an audience. Think of Linus Tech Tip. He built an affiliate marketing businesses through doing the Amazon link of every product that he reviews, and that take so much time to build such a large audience that will make you money. So, and essentially you're selling other people's stuff and not yours. So you don't have a brand for yourself. You don't have a company for yourself. You are just selling other people items. So this is what I've come up after everything. So let me introduce you to what I believe is the most overlooked path to $100 plus a day with almost zero capital, no capital. This is what I call the digital product 2.0. It's not a course in an old sense, but these are AI generated pre-script, and it's hosted on a platform that market them for you. So we're in a new era essentially in 2025 with AIs. You can build, host, sell your own info product in days, not months. You can create this whole thing in days. So let's break it down. So the upfront cost for this would be essentially $100 to $200 or less because AI is essentially free. The scalability is infinite because you have access to the largest database in the world, so you can find anything, create any content that you want just from a click of button. And the fulfillment is just a one-time creation of that course. So the risk is fairly low. You have a free platform, and the difficulty is low because you have AI. You don't have to have much knowledge to put these things into word anymore. As long as you know a enough amount to kind of see, okay, this AI understand what he's talking about, they understand how this works. Okay, good. Now put down a course. So AI will write the script for you, outline your product, even build the marketing material for you, and all you have to do is read a script, screen record on Loom, upload it to your course, and it will essentially look more professional because it's word that is come from the smartest machine there is. And from there, you can insert your own experience in there, insert your own expertise in there, and make it so that it's your course and only you know what's right and what's wrong. So, for example, This is why I use to build my self-serving course. I use all of the knowledge that I built in the past few years of building automation, creating businesses, creating everything that I've done, all of the content creation, everything that I have, and I essentially just feed that into AI and say, okay, AI, this is what I've done before. So this is essentially one of the transcript that explain everything that I've done. Here's my website, blah 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 blah. Here's my LinkedIn. Here's what I've done, and then I feed into AI, and it helped me create a course. Tell me, okay, what I should outline, what I should not, what I should use, and blah blah blah, stuff like that. So here's is what you should do if you're trying to build something that's low risk and low effort and highly scalable. This is it. So you don't need to be famous. You don't need a big audience. You just need a laptop, a microphone, and a free tool like Loom, Canva, OBS, Google Drive. Even you can use Google Drive, upload on there, and just have it up there. And an AI tool like ChatGPT, Synthesize, Copilot, uh, those things. So if you want to get started, just check out my next video to create your first product and launch it and get your first $100 per day in recurring income. So, what's your choice? You can wait and watch other people make money. Like myself, I'm already making money, and I'm literally have created a course and I'm making money off my business, everything like that, to fund my trip to Japan. So, look, it's either it's your choice, you can make that first move, and this is your moment and to building something that could bring you the first overlooked, the first underrated income stream together. So, this is just my little end video pitch. This is basically it for this video. It's my little end video pitch. If you want a system where you can get 5 to 10 automatic client every month, and it's just automatic, and you can use it essentially forever to get all of your client all in one outreach. So if you want a self-serving system, check out my free course, my course below. It's not free. Check out my course below, and if that is what you like, buy it. If it doesn't work, I will guarantee you a refund, and you'll get a payment from me if you decide to buy a different course, and I'll pay that for you. But other than that, later.